Yo, what's up, yo? Happy New Year, everyone. I'm sorry from yesterday. Hindi ko natapos yung show. Something happened a little bit, but I will continue it today. And I just want to thank everybody. Pumunta kahapon. I really appreciate you guys. I'm sorry nabubulol pa ako. Nalasing pa kagabi, guys. Happy New Year sa lahat yan, guys. I hope you guys are good and happy New Year sa inyo lahat. And I would like to thank everybody sa pumunta sa kahapon. So, ito ay para sa inyo, guys. Ayan guys, nagbabalik tayo guys. So next natin, gusto i-mention ko guys kahapon. Nag-comment picker pala tayo guys kahapon sa aking channel. So I would like to do the comment picker right now. And let me figure it out first guys, kasi kahapon hindi ko na figure out kung paano ko mapakita sa screen yung aking live. So ito yung sa ngayon, share screen pala guys. Nag-share screen na siya, oh. So, I figure it out. So, bear with me guys. I'm still practicing a little bit. Pero kapag nag-start na talaga to, talagang tuloy-tuloy na pamimigay natin guys, no? So, stay with me guys. And thank you for staying with me right here. So, sa mga hindi pala guys, ilagay ko sa ilalim yung Google Form. So, pwede nyo ilagay guys yung pangalan nyo dyan at saka yung number ninyo. Para kapag nanalo kayo guys, hindi ko na kayo hanapin, and pwede ko kayo isenda na lang ng GCash kapag nanalo na kayo. So, make sure nilagay nyo yung pangalan ninyo at saka yung GCash name at saka GCash number. Ayan. Yung Google Form guys. I-share ko sa inyo para makita ninyo. I'll put the link below sa comment section or sa description dyan guys. So, ito guys yung ating Google Form guys. Ang nakapunta pa lang dito guys is si Jeline Z. Zacarias, of course, TGF yan before. And also, Francia Domanico. And Gongchon Gam from Team Happy. Miguel shoutout sa inyo dyan guys, mga Team Happy dyan. And also guys, punta na tayo sa ating right. Nag-share screen pa rin siya guys. So, stop share screen. And we're gonna go to share screen natin guys, yung comment picker section natin. Ayan, share screen. So, I figure it out now guys. So, ito na tayo guys. So, kahapon kung nag-stay ka guys sa aking live kahapon, my New Year's live. Sorry, hindi ko natapos siya kasi naguluhan na ako. Hindi ko makita guys yung aking kung paano ko ma-share. So, instead of mag-stress out, nag-focus na lang ako guys sa aking pag-New Year. You know, say hi, hello ako sa lahat ng aking mga family dyan, mga Team Happy, sa mga tumulong sa akin guys sa pag-grow up dito sa channel na to. And also everyone na nagmamahal sa akin guys. Stay tuned lang kayo guys dyan. And sa mga hindi dyan, hindi kayang mamuhay ng maginhawa sa Pilipinas, guys, may chance kayo na makakain na araw-araw. All you need is just, join us, guys, sa aming mga palaro minsan. And of course, we just want to have fun and make friends to everyone. So right now, guys, we're gonna start with this comment picker. Ayan, you have chance to win, guys. Ayan, nakaset up na yan, guys, para sa inyo. Ang magic word ko kahapon, guys, is oh my Gcash. Ayan. Also, guys, yung check natin kanina, ang amount na nag-comment doon is 6 unique comments. So, isa-start na natin yung comment picker. Start. Now, maglista na kayo, guys. Alright! Congratulations to Starami Benemili 3357. Ayan, number 1 first winner, guys, sa atin for of the year. Makakatanggap siya na 25 Gcash for now, guys. 25 Gcash. So, kaya din na, guys, no? 25 Gcash, guys, yung muna pamimigay natin, guys. Kasi matagal naman tong ano na to, ng game na to. So, congratulations, Stara Benemili, guys. Yung pamangkin ko yan, guys, kapo nag-join. So, she is our first winner. Lilista ko lang, guys, para isisend ko kay Mami ang mga list. So, stay tuned, guys. Magpakilala din ka minsan, guys, dyan sa ilalim, guys, para makilala din kayo ng lahat. So, it's gonna be a nice and good community here, guys. So, pick a winner. Pick another winner. Let's go, let's go. Pick another winner, guys. Start raffle. Start. Oh my God! Second winner, si Gong Chon Gam from Team Happy, guys. Congratulations. Ayan. At Gong Chon Gam. Sorry, guys, nililista ko kasi, guys, no. I have to write it down kasi makakalimutin man si Lolo, guys. Si Mr. Bunker. Alright. Let's do it again, guys. Congratulations to Gong Chon Gam from Team Happy. Congratulations. Ayan. And also start another pick. Sino kaya to? Oh my God! From Team Happy again. Congratulations si Faika Bid. Pahirapan talaga ako, guys, minsan, no? Faika Bid from Team Happy 5096. Ayan, guys. And congratulations, Faika. It's a Faika. Ay, Faika, letter Q ba yan? Habid from Team Happy. Ayan, congratulations, guys. Maraming salamat, guys, sa pagpunta dito, guys. Ayan. I really appreciate. Congratulations sa mga winner, guys. I really appreciate you. And I hope you guys Happy New Year and enjoy the rest of your year, guys. Ayan. Pagkita nga tayo. Dito na tayo, guys. So, maraming salamat, guys. This is TGF Adventure before. Ngayon, nagiging banker. Ako, guys, ang magiging banker ninyo for a while for this year. So, stay tuned lang dito, guys. Malami tayo. All you need, guys, is share and subscribe para maka-avail kayo ng mga sa palaro namin dito. Kahit saan ka man sa sulok ng Pilipinas, guys, sa lahat ng buong Pilipinas, kahit saan ka, basta may GCash ka, guys, pwede ka manalo dito. Okay? So don't forget, I'll put the link on the bottom below para sa atong form. Sa mga nanalo dyan, lagay nyo yung form, yung pangalan nyo sa form daan sa ilalim. Then, isi-send namin ni Mami yung inyong panalo. Okay? Make sure you have your name, pangalan ng GCash nyo, and also yung GCash number ninyo. So, stay tuned guys. Maraming salamat. And I really appreciate everybody here. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. See you later guys. I love you all.